2023 has started off pretty smoothly. Higher highs, higher lows, and Bitcoin trades above and below the $19,000 level. And sitting just above us now is the psychological hurdle of 20,000. Bitcoin is in a position where it does have the potential to make a big shift. The weekly RSI breakout is now very real. We are making a great escape out of the 2-year-long downtrend. The dotted line on the screen is the parabolic stop and reverse indicator, used in trading to identify potential reversals in price trends. And the parabolic stop and reverse indicator has flipped to the bullish side along our weekly RSI breakout. In my mind, the parabolic stop and reverse indicator does hold a lot of weight. It is very good at capturing trends and trend shifts. Looking at this chart from 2019, it captured the run up and the pullback, and after the global pandemic, it captured the entire bull run up to 65,000. While it's not perfect, it is definitely something to consider. It's becoming easier to compare where we are now with Bitcoin with where Bitcoin was in 2018. As we entered 2019, the weekly RSI broke out, we had the parabolic stop and reverse indicator flip to the bullish side, and we broke above the 21-week EMA, which is strikingly similar to where we are right now. A quick update, Bitcoin is actually breaking above 19,300 as I'm editing this video. These videos do take a lot of effort and time, and you may notice that the price may progress as the video goes on. I'm sure a lot of people are wondering, why are the bullish speculators stepping in here and now? What is it about right now that's making people jump in? Well, there is something to say about the psychology of a new year. A lot of times market cycles find tops and bottoms just at the turn of the year. And there's something about the new year that sort of renews people's sentiment towards markets. People start to believe in new possibilities, that things are changing, and this changes the way that markets behave. And also on top of that, we do have the S&P 500 now coming up on the downward sloping resistance. And as we know, there's been a strong correlation between Bitcoin and the S&P. And right now, there's probably speculators trying to front run a bullish breakout in equities by speculating on Bitcoin, potentially getting some upside alongside the stock market. I also think that it's possible that what we're seeing for Bitcoin in the short term has something to do with people being afraid that they may not be able to buy Bitcoin below 20,000 if they wait for too long. And I think the market is sort of chasing that 20K level. And it's very possible that once we get above 20,000, we hit the log scale down trend line at 21,500, and then see a back test after that back below 20,000, and 20,000 becomes sort of a magnet. Of course, what I just said is complete speculation. So we've talked about a lot of great things that are happening on certain indicators right now that are signaling possible upside. Not to be a total buzzkill, but nothing is confirmed until we actually get higher highs on the daily chart. We are still sitting in a lower high trajectory from 69,000, and Bitcoin needs to break and hold the 21,500 level and or hold that log scale down trend line as new support. So there is definitely more work to be done before we can be too sure that the trend is truly changing. Because if the stock market does reject that down trend line that we talked about, well, Bitcoin's probably going to do the same thing, and it would lead to possibly new lows. And if the recession continues, yeah, it could get much worse. So we need to break this log scale down trend line for both the stock market and Bitcoin, and that's when I would become much more confident that the trend is truly changing. So overall, we have the RSI breakout in the weekly parabolic stop and reverse indicator flipping bullish, and the stock market is at a high risk zone of potential resistance. But if we do break out, that could lead Bitcoin into a breakout as well. So very interesting place to be. That's all I have for you guys today. Leave some comments below and hit the like button. How do you like this new style of content? Trying something new. So far, the reviews have been really good. I'm very happy about that. And if you guys want to support this channel, check out the links below. Join Patreon to get my Discord. The BitGet link below will get you 0 fees for spot trading on the BitGet exchange. And also, the charting platform that you see me using on my videos is Cryptowatch. It's free. Sign up below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.